Reading is harmless and it makes you hot. Yeah, like I'll explain. Going on social media is not harmless. It makes you sad, it makes you compare yourself with other people, it makes you depressed. Well, it's a no-brainer, but here's the thing. Recently, I opened Instagram. One of my friend is going on a backpacking trip to Europe. The other one is working in an MNC. One of my school friends, okay? She's working in an MNC. She just put a video of what is being served in her MNC company in the lunch. There is this grilled chicken, the salad, and everything. And the other guy is started posting about how he is running an creative agency. And also the other girl who happens to join in an Bangalore, I think so. I don't know. Bangalore or some college. She had a crazy glow up. And now suddenly, I want to go on a backpacking trip to the Europe. I want to work in an MNC where there is grilled chicken and salad every day for lunch. And I want to start a creative agency where I'll make reels with the people that I employ. And also, I want to have a glow up and do fashion designing for some reason. But I am a psychology student. This doesn't make sense at all. And this is what that's been happening to me since the past one and a half year. The only thing that I do is go on social media and compare myself to other people, and then it makes me sad, it makes me depressed, and well, the loop continues. So I started reading book. Whenever I want to use Instagram next time, instead of opening Instagram and scrolling through reels, I decided I will read a book. So the first book that I got is A Room of One's Own by Virginia Woolf. And well, it's a really, really small book. It's a collection. It's about, wait, let me. Oh, there's me rustling through the pages of the book. Oh, it's just 100 pages long. So it's like a reading an essay, and she talks about how it's important for women to have their own room to be creatively flourish or something. To do something creatively. So the next time uh, and that's it, that's the thing. So now I have something to talk other than what all the casual things that's happened. Oh look, Rishabh Pant did a century and he is flipping, and then Max was Verstappen won the race, Landon Norris lost, or some other Urvashi routed the race. Instead of that, I can now talk something productive, I guess so. And there is always this thing. I have always been impressed with this kind of girls. Short hair, lives in New York, have a creative career, have something to talk. And there is this right movement, right dialogues, like the speak, they come out of the movies. But I know that doesn't happen until I saw Nandan is the new Bob Major's wife. Well, she is damn hot. That's the kind of girl I want to be. But instead of me being who I am, I'm continuously comparing myself, and I want to go to Europe. I want to have a glow up, and also I want to work in MNC and also start my own company. So I am comparing myself with other people, and I'm wanting what others are having their, like what others want and what they are living the dream. Just because it looks cool, I want to do that. I want to have that. There's this inner urge of doing things for social media came into me. So it really made me depressed and sad. So I decided to read books. And well, let me tell you, and it makes you hot. It makes you, it's like, for example, if I go and have something to talk about other than what's happening, this TBD risk or something that's happening, it's obviously people are going to listen to you. Have something meaningful to add. And also, yeah, that's it. That's it from me. I don't know how to talk anymore.